guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm excited to share with you the amazing find that I got. And I'm still actually not sure if it's a good quality. I really wanted to test it out, and I'm not sure, but we're gonna find out right now. And as you can see here, it's behind me. Evidently you guys would know it is a bag. I was really curious about this, and I am not sure what it's going to look like. So we're going to do it together here. Now it's a fall season, and I think this is a pretty nice color for fall. And let's get to it. So a lot of the bags actually come like this. Like when I mentioned to you guys about bags that are in boxes that I wanted to show you guys, I do have a couple of orange boxes that I have that are pretty good, and sometimes I actually show them to you guys. But with this one, literally it didn't come with the box, it just came with a plastic bag, and hopefully it's not deformed inside. But I am not sure what it is gonna look like when we go open it inside. So let's check it out now. So this color, I thought through what I was gonna test, because it's somehow still a testing, because if it goes well, then amazing, but if it doesn't, then of course then we'll cry. It's a reveal. So it came with that bag, of course, the packaging, these details, and here it is. So it is a Birkin bag, and it is a 25, and it is small, and it's in a dark color. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna have you guys guess it, but do comment down below, and maybe I will let you guys know if it's the correct color. But although you guys are gonna see it anyway. So PO leathers, it wasn't as cry of a problem than if you're going to get for a leather one. But we're gonna find out with this one, because it does have a bit of weight to it. So I think it is real leather, because most of my leather bags, or most of my PU leather bags, are really light. You could really compare the sizes of it. But when it comes to this one, when it comes to the sizing, or when it comes to the weight of the bag, leather is heavier, that's for sure. Even my bags that are not Birkin inspired, Kelly inspired, they are way heavier compared to the not leather bags. In here, you can see, I'm not sure how to react, but I can tell you right now, it is not deformed, and it's a crazy cellier shape. So let's see what the color looks like. So 1, 2, okay. So this is what it looks like. So it's like a very emerald color, and this is a structured one, the structured style, and it is pretty heavy. So this is a Birkin in Cellier in the green. I will try to figure out what green basis it is in Hermes, and I'll just comment it here or put it here. But it's such a beautiful color. This was on a crazy sale. Like, I bought one of my PU leather bags before in this price, so I would consider it a sale, and I really wanted to share it to you guys because, well, right now it's going to be the Burr months, and it's going to be Christmas, and I think it'll be a great Christmas gift for you guys, for a suggestion to your mom. So let's continue and opening it. I'm excited to try this today, and honestly I am so happy about it. So here, okay, there are a few deflated pillows, but that's okay. I mean, I could just add the dust bag in it, or I can have one of my organizers placed in this one, because I am pretty much gonna use this today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it with this one, because my shirt is already pretty bright, and I don't want it to be overwhelming. I really want this one to be the highlight. Oh, and by the way, the type of feet that they have, the feet cover, is not just like the bougie ones that I've gotten before. They're just mainly the sticker type, the yellow sticker type. So this is the bag. And another thing about this one, the thing that I like about dupes or inspired or the ones made in China, and yes, this is made in China, is because it doesn't have the logo. There is no problem if there's no logo. For me, that is not an issue. For me, that's the highlight of it, because I don't want to get a bag that is so expensive and then people will know what it is. People will know what it looks like. And then it will get stolen from me. There are so many times stories in Europe, people have had their bags stolen, and they're not even the most expensive ones. And of course, there are also stories of the ones that are expensive, and that sucks. Oh, look at that. It's a nice shade. I honestly like it because it's muted. It's not like too overpowering. Maybe it's just because I'm adding lighting right now, because before I have a couple of problems right now with making videos and the lighting. But aside from that, I hope you guys can bear with me. And I'm not wearing any makeup right now except sunscreen, but that's not really considered makeup. So one of my favorite parts is peeling off the stickers, because of course I'm gonna keep this. Okay, one sticker out. This will be a really, really nice colored bag, and honestly it's very easy, and since most of the time I just go out with just a few things inside, this will fit it very well. So yeah, I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to ring the bell. Oh, and don't forget to check the description box, because I had the link for this bag and the shop itself. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. Bye!